Hi mga ka-Globe, ito yung tutorial kung paano mag-apply ng GFiber Prepaid sa Globe One app. Please download Globe One app sa App Store or Play Store and sign in. Click the GFiber logo sa upper section. Now, we need to check if available ba sa area ang GFiber Prepaid. Kindly fill in the details needed para malaman ang GFiber Prepaid is available ba sa area nyo. Tapos dito sa next is yung crucial na pag-drop ng PIN. So make it sure lang na dun sa bahay nyo ang exact drop ng PIN mo. Tapos click yung confirm. Tapos check my address. So as you can see, available ang GFiber Prepaid sa address na nilagay ko. So click buy and proceed with my order. Next, you need to put your mobile number kung saan kayo makokontak ng ating mga installer at saka magbigay ng PIN, 6-digit PIN. Next, you'll receive an OTP na marireceive mo doon sa number na nilagay mo. Next, i-fill out mo yung details na needed gaya ng first name, middle name, last name, suffix, your gender, at saka birthday, with email ad, at saka yung mother's maiden name. At tapos, click submit. Next is makikita mo yung scheduled installation na availability, which is ikaw yung magpipili, tapos morning ba or afternoon. So guys, ito yung pinaka-crucial sa lahat. So meron tayong referral code kung saan ilalagay mo yung referral code, which is very important kasi aside from the 7 days na free, meron pa kayong makukuha na additional 7 days. So total of 14 days yung free na makukuha nyo. Make it sure lang na na-click yung apply para mag-reflect yung referral code. So, sa akin naman, yung referral code ko is stand for 638 at may makita kayong referral code applied. So, please click proceed with my order and you will be directed to GCash. Make it sure lang guys na merong laman ang GCash nyo before applying to GFiber Prepaid. So, finally, click agree and proceed para sa payment nyo. Aside from text message na marireceive nyo is you can also screenshot yung reference number nyo. At sa lower portion, meron kayong makikita na stand for 638, which means na-apply talaga yung referral code. And you can also screenshot that one. Okay, so guys, that's all. So thank you for watching this video and hopefully you'll enjoy your GFiber Prepaid. Goodbye!